Home Show.
Corey from Richwood, Texas has a question about LVT flooring.
He's building a bay house down there on the San Luis Pass side of Brazoria County, over that part of the world. He says, Corey writes, I plan on using LVT, and I'm concerned about condensation buildup on the underside to the exposed subfloor. The LVT obviously isn't permeable, he says, and I don't want the OSB to get any moisture on it. Should I spray foam on the underside to create an air barrier for the house?
I can tell you right now, my answer is going to go against everybody's intuition, and that is don't insulate at all. Even if you put a soffit on the bottom, use a perforated, like a pegboard soffit, so it breathes. The air goes in and out, and everything is moving and breathing, so everything stays the exterior temperature, and that's what you're looking for. That way it doesn't reach dew point and sweat. And that's what happens with a lot of products is the insulation traps it. You air condition the LVT, right, because you're up there. The OSB gets cold. It can't release. The heat's not keeping at that surface the temperature it needs, and so it reaches dew point and causes condensate. Let it breathe. If you just want to leave it open, I'm good with that. If you want to close it because you want to look under your home and you want it to look good, a perforated pegboard I think is a great option, and it paints really nice. If you don't want to do that, you can even use 3/8 plywood. That's what I had on my old house, 50 plus years on the beach, no insulation between there, and it was just fine. And I had sheet vinyl on I'd say about a third of the house was big sheet vinyl, and that's about the same thing. It doesn't breathe either, nor did it have to, because the outside surface takes the outside temperature, the inside surface stays the inside temperature, just like a double pane window. One stays one temperature, the other stays the other, and that's what makes them energy efficient and gives you no problems.
All right. You want no problems, then get the right answers, and do that by visiting HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button that we provide for you. Fill out the form, send it in. We'll put out a video just like this. Bing, bang, boom, just like that. You'll find one posted every day at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, and our Facebook page. Have you followed us on Facebook?